Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I'm going to state the obvious here just to establish some context here, but a very, very impressive bounce today. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, yet the price was able to bounce all the way up to that area. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice bounce, but that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $51. Why is 51 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but one potential scenario is price pulls back here to 51 and then just continues on down. Now, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price was going to go down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have that low down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then as long as the price stays above and continues to build those stair steps, then that's the name of the game. That's what progress is all about, just slowly and surely. A lot of times people think progress has got to be all about a price just skyrocketing and shooting straight up. But that's not true progress. True progress is just slow and steady by building those higher bases. And again, that $51 mark represents that higher base. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on the moving averages up here. The purple line is my 50-period moving average. The pink line there is the 200-period moving average. And just to find a common ground, they're both basically the same. So let's just call it $54 as the main level of resistance moving forward. But all in all, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.